morning, children. So in today's class we are continuing the left problems of exercise 5.3, children. So the next sixth problem is, for each of the following numbers find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Understand it? What you have to find is smallest whole number you should find. So that whole number divides the given number. By that the non-perfect square will become a perfect square number. So then also find the square root of a square number so obtained. So after dividing we are getting a perfect square now. For that number we have to find the square root. Okay, this is the question. Here I have taken three questions: 252, 2925, 1620. Let us solve one by one. Let us take 252. Just factorize it. So from 2 ones you can 2 ones to 2s it becomes 12 to 6. Again 2 6 12 to 3s. 63 is odd number. We can't go with 2. Next from 3 you should divide. 3 2s 3 1s 3 7s. Now 7 is a prime number. It cannot be further. That means 7 ones it can divide that. So now what are the factors you got? Just check it out. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 1 7. Which is unpaired here? 7 is unpaired. So you should divide. To eliminate this, divide it by 7. So the given number is 252 divided by 7. What it gives? Just check it out. 7 3s are 21, 4 left, 42. 7 6 are 42. So 36 we got. So from 7 you should get, we are getting a perfect square 36. What is the square root of 36, children? It is 6. Clear? The same way, one more problem I took. This is 2925. Already it is ending with a 5. Odd number, we can't divide it by 2. Go with a 3. So 3 9s are 27, 2 left 22, 3 7s are 21, 1 left 15, 2 3 5s are. See here, 3 9s are 27, 2 left 22, 3 7s are 21, next 3 5s are. Again from 3, 3 3s are, 3 2s are, 3 5s are. Add it, 10 you are getting. 10 is not divisible by 3, so we'll, but ending with 5 means you can go with a 5. So 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are. Again 5 1s are, 5 3s are. So these are the factors we got. Write down the factors. 3 into 3, 5 into 5, 13. See, these two numbers are in pairs. Which is unpaired here? 13. So divide the number by 13. So 2925 divided by 13 is 225. So it is a perfect square, children. So the square root of 225 is 15. Clear? Now we will go with the third problem. The third problem is 1620. As usual, factorization. So 2 8s are, 2 1s are, 0s are, 2 4s are, 1 is not divisible, 0 you should put, 10 you are taking together, that's why 2 5s are. Again 3 1s are, 3 3s are, 3 5s are, 3 4s are, 3 5s are, 3 1s are, 3 5s are, 3 5s. Now list out all the factors. 2 times, 3 4 times and 5 1 time. By observing 2 is paired, 3 is paired, but unpaired is 5. So you have to divide the given number with 5. So 5 3s are 15, 1 left, 12, 5 2s are 10, 2 left, 5 4s are. So 324 you are getting, and the square root of 324 is 18. Now you got the idea, I think. Now we will further move to the next mind, children. So the next problem of the exercise is, the student of class 8th of a school donated rupees 2401 in all for a Prime Minister National Relief Fund. Okay, that means 8th standard students given an amount of 2401. For what? For Prime Minister National Relief Fund. So each student denoted as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Okay, so that means if the number of students is 10, so each has donated 10 rupees, like that. That is the meaning of this statement, children. Okay, donates as many rupees as the number of students in the class. Number of students is equal to amount, rupees. Okay, so find the number of students in the class. Now I am taking here number of students as a x. Then each student donates how much rupees? X only. So the product of this will be what? 2401. That's why x into x is equal to 2401. X into x is x square. So if we want x, you have to find the square root of 2401. That is fine. It is ending with 1. Add it. Whether it is divisible by 3 or not, you just check it out. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So it is not divisible by 3. Even it is not ending with 0 and 5. So it is not divisible by 5 also. Let us go with the 7. 7 3s are 21. 30 is left. 7 4s are 28, 2 left, 21 means 7 3s are 21. Again, 7 4s are 28, 6 left, 7 9s are 63, again 7 7s. So, how many we got? 7 square, 7 square. Square root get cancelled, 7 into 7. So, x value is 49. So, what it indicates? It indicates the number of students in the class is 49. Okay. Now, the next problem of the exercise is find the smallest square number that is divisible by each of the numbers 4, 9 and 10. So, it should be divisible by all these three numbers, then it is nothing but a LCM of these numbers. Take down the LCM. See here, 2 2s are 9 is not divisible by 2, keep as it is, 2 5s are. Again 2 is divisible, remaining numbers as it is. From 3 1s I will 3 3s are 5 as it is, 3 1s are again 5. So these are the factors 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. So 5 is unpaired here. Okay. So we had to multiply by 5. How we have done in the previous problems, like that. Multiply these factors with the 5. So actually this is its product is, see here, 4 9s 36 into 10 360 it is. So 360 into 5 you make, you will be getting 900. So what is the square root of 900? It is 30. Clear? Okay. Now we will move to the one more interesting fact of this lesson, that is finding square root by division method. So what is that? Already from prime factorization we came to know how to find the square root of a number, isn't it? Then what is this? Okay. So actually when the numbers are very large, thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, like that time can you do the prime factorization? How long the sheet you are requiring? Yes, it is lengthy as well as difficult, isn't it? So, to overcome this problem, we are going with a long division method. What is this long division method? How it will be useful? Let us take one example and we will discuss. Before that, one main thing you have to keep in mind means, if a perfect square is of n digits, then its square root will be n by 2. For example, square number 4 means square root will be 4 by 2, that is 2. Square number 6 digits means its square root will be having 3. Okay, when it is even. Or if it is odd means, for example, you are having a 5. You are having 5 numbers. What you should make? 5 plus 1 by 2 you should make, that is 6 by 2, 3. So square number is having 5 units means its square root will be having 3 units. Okay. That is the thing you have to keep in mind. Okay. Now let us discuss the division method. I have taken 529 as an example. See here, the first thing you have to place a bar over every pair of digits. starting from the digits at ones place. From where you have to start? From ones place. 1, 2, 1 pair. This is 1 pair and this is separate. Okay. If you are having more numbers, two numbers you should group. Okay. Now, what is the second step you will be having means? So here, what is left for that nearest square number you should find. For 5. 5 is lying between 4 and 9. 4 and 9 are the square numbers. Between them the 5 is lying. For which it is very nearer? For 4 it is nearer. So, what is the square root of 4? 2. That you have to take as an divisor as well as quotient. Whatever you are taking in a divisor, the same thing should come in the quotient. Okay. So, that is the condition. That is the second part you are having. Okay. So, the third step is, after this, go with the subtraction. 5 minus 4, 1. And now, you are not downing one number, you are downing a pairs. What the pairing you made, that whole thing you have to bring down. Okay. So, our new dividend is 129. This is the third step. Now, the fourth step is, so again, what the divisor you are having, you should add the same thing for that. Yeah, plus you should make 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, that is the one more thing. And here the sum what you are getting, that should be written a unit place keeping the blank. The next places you should fill whatever the total you are getting. Now, for this number, you have to guess a largest possible digits to fill and satisfy this file. So, it should be done with a trial and error. 1 you should put. So, if you check 41 into 1, it is 41 only, but our number is 129, very less. Again, you have to go with 42 into 2, 2 2s are 4, even it is less. Next, we are going with the 43 into 3, it is 129, same number we got. So, which digit you have to select here? 3 you should select. So, 3 I have selected here, the same thing, whatever you are selecting as a divisor, the same thing should be written as a quotient. Now we got 129, it gets cancelled. So in a quotient, whatever you are getting, that is the square root of a given number. So this is the way of finding a square root by long division process. Okay. By using long division process, some other problems we can find out. Let us discuss those problems. In that, the first one is, find the least number that must be subtracted from 5607, so as to get a perfect square. Also, find the square root of the perfect square. Okay, here it is not a perfect square, children. Okay, something should be subtracted to make it perfect. Which number we have to subtract? That should be found out by long division only. So, 5607, how you will group it? Two numbers. So, that is the grouping I made. So, now we got this as a first group, 56. Now, for 56, which is the nearest square number? Write down square numbers, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, like this. Okay. Now, 56 is lying between these two. But it is near to this, that's why you should take 7 as a divisor. I already said whatever that comes in a divisor, the same thing should come on the quotient also. 7 sevens are 49, after subtracting 7 you are getting. Okay, now down these two numbers. Now here you should add 7 for this, 7 plus 7, 14. Keeping the unit place blank. Now you here go with, here is 707, so here 140 something should be written, so that let us go with the trial and error. So 142 into 2 I will make, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, so it is less. Now let us go with the 3, so that is 143 into 3 we will go. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 plus 4, 429. Very less. So let us go with the 4. 144 with 4. 4 4s are 16 1, 4 4s are 16 7, 4 1s are 4 plus 1. 576 we got. Now let us go with 145. 5 5s are 25 2, 5 4s are 20, 22 2, 5 1s are 725. But here we are having 707. So we can't choose 5. Which is less than that, 4 we can select. So 4 I wrote here. Even here also 4. So 144 into 4 is what? 576. Write down that. Subtract 7 minus 6 1, 10 minus 7 3, 6 minus 1 1, 131 we got. So what the remainder we will be getting? Okay, that should be subtracted. So from the given number you subtract 131. You are getting 5476 whose square root is this only. Here what the number we got? That will be the square root. Clear? Let us move to the one more problem. So find here. You have to find the greatest 4-digit number which is a perfect square. Usually. Which is the greatest 4-digit number? 9999, isn't it? We have to find the square root of that by a long division process. So first step is what? Grouping. This is one group, this is one group. So for 99, the nearest square number is, because 10 times 100 you are knowing, which is more than 99. Less than that means 9 nines I should take 81. Subtract 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Here what you should add? 9 only you should add. 9 plus 9, 18. Keeping this blank as it is. Again, down this 99, 1899. So the nearest, because it is 1800 and something you are getting. That's why 9s are only I am taking again. So 9 9s are 81, 8 remained. 9 8s are 72 plus 8, 80, 8 remained. 9 1s are 9 plus 8 is 17. So 9 minus 1 8, 9 as it is, 8 minus 7 is 198. Okay, subtract this from the given number, that is 999. You will be getting 9801 whose square root is 99. So which is the greatest 4-digit number? 9801. Okay. The one more problem related with the long division is least number that must be added. Already you learned that must be subtracted. Now you have to learn that must be added to 1300 so as to get a perfect square. Okay. Even you have to find the square root of the perfect square. So take down 1300. Write down the factors. Grouping. For 13 which is the nearest? 4 4s are 16. It is more. 3 3s are only we will take. 3 3s are 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 3 you should add. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now this 0 should be taken. 400 we are getting. So for nearest 400 which is the number we are getting, you just check it out. 6 only. 6 6 are 36. 3. 6 6 are 36 plus 3 39. Subtract 10 minus 6 4. 9 minus 9 0. Already we have taken borrow. So the left is 4. Okay. So because 36 it is greater than that. Okay, 36 square is less than 1300. So you should go with the next square of next number, that is 37 square. So 37 square is 1369. From this number you subtract this 1300. What the thing we are getting, what the subtrahend we are getting, that should be added to 1300. See, by adding 69 for this, it becomes 1369 whose square root will be 37. Okay. So the exercise problems we will discuss in the next class. All the best for your exam. Prepare well.